This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on Reddit. I will be using the browser version on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Reddit here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Reddit. To enable or disable dark mode on Reddit, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to your little profile icon. You want to click on your profile icon. Then you want to go down to the one that says display mode. Click on display mode. A little dialog box will open up. It gives you three different choices. Auto, it follows your system settings, light or dark. As you can see, I have a check mark next to auto. That's what I'm currently on, but if I wanted to go to light mode, I'll click on light. Now I have went to light mode, and if I go down to dark, now I've went to dark mode, and my system must be set to dark mode too. I'm going to click on auto. It's still in dark mode. Then all you need to do is go down to where it says done. Click on done. That is how to enable or disable dark mode on Reddit. Thanks for watching.